Sashiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video. I've been getting a lot of comments in my recent PC build videos asking like, Vimal bro, can you do like a brand new Gen 2025 gaming PC that can offer like value for money 1440p performance? So thing is, people are looking to build like a future-proof gaming PC at a reasonable price point. See, what I've seen is a lot of people usually, whenever they build a gaming PC, right, they want it to be like future-proof. For example, if you build a PC in 2025, it should be able to run for at least the next couple of years without any sort of worrying for changing any components or upgrading the stuff. And that is what I'll be showing exactly in this video, guys. We will be building like a value for money gaming PC at a reasonable price point that can offer you like great 1440p gaming experience. And not just 1440p, I think the kind of configuration and specs I'll be showing can easily handle a bit of 4K gaming as well. So before we get to the components and talk about the whole configuration for the PC, first of all, let me tell you about the whole concept and theme of the gaming PC that I'll be going for. So today we'll be going for a full Asus theme concept powered by Asus gaming PC, guys. Now what does that mean? See, this is a customized gaming PC featuring major components from Asus brand, like for example the motherboard, GPU, power supply, heck even the case and liquid cooler is also from Asus. So there are a couple of benefits going for a single brand, guys. I mean, if you're building a complete gaming PC from a single ecosystem, right, you get benefits like better compatibility, more efficiency, and obviously overall improved stability as well. See, thing is, if you build a PC using random components from mix and match of different brands, right, you might have to install like variety of different softwares to control each and every component. That sort of hassle you don't find over here, guys, because you're using like a single ecosystem product, right, from a single brand. A single software and control center can easily handle all your components and keep everything in sync. Apart from that, one major benefit is regarding the service efficiency, guys. Like for example, if you build a gaming PC using multiple brand components, what happens in future is if something happens to these components, you will have to go to different brand service centers to get your PC rectified. But that is not the case over here, guys. Since all the components are from a single ecosystem, single brand, right, you'll have to go to only one place to get everything rectified. So this greatly helps you saving your time and also your money as well. So there are plenty of benefits, guys, going for a concept like this. Now say suppose you're a beginner and you've never built a gaming PCs before. You might be a bit scared to build your brand new PC, right? Then in case you don't need to worry about building a PC, guys, these customized PCs are also available on lot of e-tailers and plenty of retailers as well, guys. You can directly buy this powered by Asus PCs available in different range. Asus has like different lineups, right? You get their tough gaming PCs, prime edition PCs are also there, and obviously their top of the line ROG gaming PCs as well, guys, depending on your requirement and the type of budget you have. For example, you're looking for a productivity sort of build, right? Yes, it is readily available. You're maybe looking for a 1440p gaming PC build or 4K edition gaming PC, right? Yes, they're readily available and you can easily purchase them. I'll try to leave links for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Anyway, so that was about the whole concept and today's PC theme. Keeping that aside, now let's get to the actual components and talk about what sort of spec and configuration I'm going for. Remember at the beginning I've told you that this is going to be a value for money 1440p gaming PC build, right? So the CPU I've chosen is from AMD. This is a Ryzen 5 7600 CPU, and let me tell you guys, even in 2025 this is a value for money CPU, guys. 6 cores, 12 threads, max turbo boost of up to like 5.1 GHz. You'll anyhow get to check out all the benchmarks and performance in this video. Now talking about the motherboard I have went for is a B850 series from Asus. This is a tough gaming B850 plus Wi-Fi edition motherboard. This is also a great choice, guys, and since it's a newer gen Asus affordable category motherboards, it is also compatible with the newer gen Ryzen 9000 series, guys. So in case in future if you want to upgrade only the CPU, yes, you can easily do that. You can easily upgrade from Ryzen 5 7600 to maybe Ryzen 7 9000 series CPUs also without any sort of hassles. Now coming to the memory part, obviously we're gonna be using like DDR5 RAM only. This one is from G-Skill. We will be going for the Trident Z5 32GB 16x2 dual channel configuration clocked at 6000 MT per second, and the storage we'll be going for is PCI Gen 4 SSD. You can go for any brand depending on your requirement. Capacity also I'll leave it up to you. I'm using a 512GB PCI Gen 4 SSD for today's configuration. And now talking about the GPU, guys, this is a main highlight, right? So for a great 1440p gaming experience and also to be a bit on the future proof side, right, I would recommend going for like Asus Prime Edition RTX 5070 GPU, guys. It's a great GPU that supports all the newer gen platforms. It's based on Nvidia's Blackwell architecture and features up to 12 gigs of GDDR7 memory, guys. And not to forget, you're getting DLSS 4.0 support. Multi-frame generation is also included. That greatly improves improves your overall gaming experience. If you ask about the CUDA cores on board, you're getting 6144 CUDA cores, 192-bit memory bus width, boost clock is roughly around 2557 MHz, but since this is the Prime OC edition GPU, right, you're getting OC clock of up to 2587 MHz. Now for a GPU like this, Asus recommends going for their Prime or Tough edition 850 watt power supply. For this sort of configuration, right, 850 watt can easily handle all your requirements, guys, and will get your job done. The model I have chosen is Asus Tough Gaming 850 watt 80 plus gold rated ATX 3.1 compatible power supply, newer gen power supply. You're also getting that newer gen GPU cable also included in the package. Not to forget, it is also military grade standard, guys, all good quality components on the inside, and is also fully modular, comes with 10-year warranty. Now you might ask about the cooling solution, right? See, nothing to worry about over here, guys. We're using like a mid-range gaming CPU, Ryzen 5 7600, which has around like 65 watt TDP, right? So for this, right, a 240mm cooler was also get your job done. But today I'll be going for Asus Prime Edition LC360 White Edition AI liquid cooler, guys. And great thing is the design. You're getting beautiful aesthetics at a reasonable price point. And also check out the pump head. You're getting infinity mirror design with interchangeable lenses that can either show Asus logo or Prime Gaming logo. Like, how cool is that? Last but not the least, if you ask about the PC case, this one is also from Asus. We are going for the Tough Gaming GT302 all white gaming PC case, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful looking gaming PC case, ATX mid tower edition that features max airflow design. Check out all the vents on the front, to the side, and everywhere. It comes with a tempered glass panel on the side, and let me tell you, this side panel is interchangeable, guys. You can either go for aesthetics or maximum airflow, totally depends on you. So that's it, our complete rundown on the components we'll be using for powered by Asus gaming PC build. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So boys, our PC is all done, and this is how it looks like. And oh my god, are you people checking out the whole design? We've got a black and white sort of gaming PC going on over here, and looks absolutely beautiful. I totally didn't expect it to look this good, man, when I was building. But check out the whole interiors as well, guys. Beautiful Asus components, and love the RGB lighting as well. Just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy these cinematic shots. Okay, if you guys thought this was just about the PC, you guys are absolutely wrong, because remember at the beginning I've told you that today we'll be building like a powered by Asus gaming PC setup, and setup obviously includes like a gaming monitor along with some peripherals as well. And today in the home we have a brand new gaming monitor from Asus. This is their ROG Strix OLED gaming monitor, guys. Model is XG32UCWG. It's a 32 inches 4K resolution true black glossy OLED gaming monitor, and main highlight is you can use this monitor in dual mode. Say suppose you want like ultra high resolution and detail, right? You can use it at 4K resolution with up to 165 Hz high refresh rate, or you prefer going for like max refresh rate, then you can even use it at full HD resolution with up to 330 Hz refresh rate, guys. Insane, right? Not to miss out, ultra fast G2G response time, Neo proximity sensor is also there, and plenty of other interesting features like auto KVM as well. You know what, I'm actually very excited to talk about this monitor monitor. Maybe I'll plan like a separate video on that, so stay tuned for this. Keeping that aside, we also have some brand new peripherals in the home. The mouse is from ROG. It's a Harpy Ace mini gaming mouse. Now this one is an ultra lightweight wireless semi-symmetrical gaming mouse that offers up to like 42,000 dpi. And talking about the keyboard, this is ROG Asus. It's a wireless 75% super compact mechanical wireless gaming keyboard and offers premium features. First of all, both the peripherals are wireless. You're getting tri-mode connectivity. You can use them in Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless mode. Apart from that, main highlight is keyboard has its own OLED display, fully customizable, guys. Like, how cool is that? I'll try to leave all links for these peripherals and everything in the description box below. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part, so without wasting any more time, let's directly get to the benchmarks and check out the gaming performance. Remember, at the beginning I've told you that this sort of configuration can easily play triple digit FPS 1440p very high gaming, guys. You can do a bit of 4K gaming as well, but you'll have to do a bit of mix and match with the graphics settings. If you want to play 4K also at maximum graphics like high or very high profile, right, then I'd advise you to go for Nvidia technologies like DLSS or frame generation for consistent results. Anyhow, I'll show you all the results in a moment. So let's start off with Cyberpunk 2077. This is like a very demanded game and a lot of people keep asking me to include this in the benchmark. So let's start off with this thing. So right now we're playing Cyberpunk at 1440p resolution, very high graphics preset, and in this first particular clip, we're not using any Nvidia technologies, no ray tracing, no DLSS, no frame generation. I want to show you the raw rasterization potential of this configuration. And as you people can see, we were easily getting around like 95 to 100 FPS. Sometimes also goes beyond 100 FPS also, guys. Very smooth and no lag stutters, nothing like that. Let's actually enable ray tracing at the same resolution and same graphic settings and see how this PC handles it. We'll not be using DLSS and frame generation right now in this particular clip. So there you go, ray tracing has been enabled and you can definitely see a bit of fall in the frame rate, right? So we were roughly getting around like 40 to 45 FPS at 1440p very high preset in Cyberpunk. Not bad, I would say. You people know, right? Ray tracing is quite taxing. I mean, check out those beautiful reflections and graphics in the gameplay. Obviously puts a lot of load on the hardware. But this is where Nvidia's upscaling technologies comes into play, guys. Simply enable DLSS, transformers model, and also multi-frame generation. Either set it to 3x or 4x depending on the gaming monitor max refresh rate you have. Right now I'll be going for 4x, guys, and simply by using these settings, right, you can greatly boost the results. I mean, check it out. On an average, now we were getting around like 230 to 240 FPS. What kind of madness is that? Where was 40, 45, and with ray tracing now we are getting around like 200 plus FPS, guys. Buttery smooth results is what I can say. So that was about 1440p. How does the PC handle 4K gaming? Now this is a big question. So let's quickly bump up the resolution to 4K, keeping the graphics preset same at very high. And in this particular clip, we're not using any Nvidia technologies, no ray tracing, nothing. We're gonna check out the raw performance, and as you people can see, roughly we were getting around like 35 to 38 FPS. This was expected because it's a 5070, right? But simply enable Nvidia technologies, guys. I'm enabling everything, ray tracing, DLSS 4, and also multi-frame generation as well, and bam, 150 to 160 FPS even at 4K, guys. Now that is the kind of results I'm talking about. Moving on, let's actually check out one more game, which is Horizon Forbidden West. So this game also will be playing at different resolutions. In this first test, we are running the game at 1440p resolution, very high graphics preset, and we are not using upscaling, guys, no DLSS, no frame generation. And on an average, we were getting around like 70 to 75 FPS. Not bad is what I can say. Very good and consistent sort of results. But simply enabling DLSS and frame generation at the same resolution and settings, bam, immediate improvement in the frame rate, guys. 120 to 130 FPS. Great and smooth performance is what I can say. Quickly bumping up the resolution to 4K as well, and keeping the graphics preset same as before. DLSS and again frame generation is also enabled, and even at 4K we were getting a consistent results of around like 85 to 90 FPS, guys. So really good performance is what I can say. Just have a look at the CPU stats at the top left corner, guys. You'll get an idea on the CPU, GPU, thermals, usage, everything. So that's it. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. And before wrapping it up, let me actually go through the pricing details and talk about everything. So if you guys want to build something similar, right, with full on powered by Asus team, then it is roughly going to cost you around like 1.54 lakh rupees just for the gaming PC. Monitor and peripherals are separate, guys. I'll try to leave links for everything in the description box below. You can check it out there. Apart from this, as I've told you, Asus also has like fully configured, ready to use PCs pre-builts available across lot lot of their e-tailers and retailers, you can directly purchase and enjoy the experience. I'll leave links for everything in the description box below. Just have a look over there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.